All right, well, I got another phone call um, from a Rhode Island number saying that I was being sued. It was a pre recorded message, which I've never got one of those before. It's always been a live person. So this should be very interesting. And to make it even more interesting, I'm going to do it with a Russian accent. So these buddies, they go to hell. So, um, let's see. Rhode Island, 1 hour ago. Yep, that's it. That's the one. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Hello? You called me? What? They're very, very interesting.
Internal Revenue Service, how may I help you?
I got call from you. I'm calling you back.
Sorry, I beg your pardon, what you say?
I said you called me. I'm calling you back.
Well, sure, I believe I'm speaking with Gary Burlock.
What?
If I'm not wrong, I believe I'm speaking with Gary Burlock.
Yes?
Well, my name is Officer Leah Brown. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so this call is referred to inform you that there is an arrest warrant has been issued under your name. Due to illegal charges on your tax file, okay?
Illegal what?
Illegal charges on your tax file, okay?
That is incorrect.
So that is incorrect. So if this is incorrect, you can disconnect the line.
It's very incorrect.
Sorry?
I said you are very incorrect.
Alright, so I'm very incorrect. You can disconnect the line because I am not forcing you, which you are not willing to do. I'm just to convince you. So now you can disconnect the line and see me in the courthouse.
So you're threatening me.
Okay?
You're threatening me with court.
So see me in the courthouse in Washington D.C.
Which?
I will send you the sheriff officer at your doorstep within 45 minutes. So you will receive a call from the general attorney within 25 minutes. So you can deal with them if you don't want to cooperate with me. Okay?
Well, if I could understand half the stuff you say.
Beg your pardon? Can you please come again?
I said I can't understand half the stuff you say.
Mr. Gary Burlock, see, the reason you are getting called from this federal crime investigation unit because there is an arrest warrant has been issued under your name due to illegal charges on your tax file, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so before I proceed further, I want to let you know that all animals we're having conversation right now is federally recorded line and a three-way conference call with the Homeland State Security, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will just go ahead and read out the illegal charges on your tax file, okay? Under your name, alright?
Okay.
Alright.
So.
There has been found a miscalculation. You were on your taxes. we conduct after the audit department conduct an audit on the taxes. So therefore, you have an underpaid outstanding balance under your name in your tax file, right? So that's the reason you are receiving a call from Federal Crime Investigation, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Are you there?
Yes.
Alright, see, according to section 101, that amount is still outstanding under your name that you have not paid. So for that reason, the local authorities with an arrest warrant will come at your place. Your driving license will be cancelled and everything under your name. Your property, your bank account, everything will be seized. And you may be imprisonment for up to 5 to 6 years, and now the total balance outstanding under your name that you have not paid is $4,987, which
How?
includes your pending taxes, legal charges, and the late fees. So now tell me, did you do that intentionally or was it by mistake?
Of course not. I've come to this country to do things right.
Beg your pardon?
I come to country to do things right, not wrong.
What are you trying to say, sir?
I'd be very careful with my taxes.
So it was by unintentionally or was it by mistake?
They both mean the same thing.
Beg your pardon?
It was not on purpose.
It was not on purpose, right?
Right.
Well, so let me give you the solution to
Oh.
rectify your case.
Okay. Yes.
Well, you can rectify your case inside the courthouse at the Washington, D.C. Or you can resolve your case out of the courthouse without facing any illegal or allegation. So tell me, whether you want to fight with Internal Revenue Service or you want to rectify this case out of the courthouse without facing any illegal or allegation.
Whichever way is best.
Sorry?
Which is best way?
That's totally up to your choice. If you want to rectify your case inside the courthouse or outside the courthouse, it's totally up to your choice. So, what do you want to do?
I think you're crazy.
The best thing is for you is you can rectify your case out of the courthouse without facing any illegal or allegation.
I will solve case out of court.
Sorry?
I will solve case out of court.
Well, so if you want to resolve your case out of the courthouse,
Yes.
so I should know that you can pay your outstanding monthly or weekly payment. I should know that your arrest warrant has been issued under your name. So be honest to me. Today, how much dollar can you come up to cancel your warrant arrest?
I have $20.
I'm sorry?
I have $20.
So you can come up with $20, right?
Yes.
So how much dollar in your saving account or checking account or credit card or debit card?
I have no...
Tell me honestly on this federal, be honest on this recorded line. The Homeland State Security will be checking all your banking information. Tell me, be honest to me, how much dollar do you have?
$20. I work $4. I make $400 every 2 weeks.
$400 every 2 weeks. So
That's all I get. How do I get such big tax with little money?
So you have only $20 in case or
Why you pick on poor people?
beg your pardon?
Why you pick on poor people? Fucking you, buddy. Fucking you. You're a bad man. Bad man.
Okay?
Evil man. Evil man. You will go to hell.
Are you done talking?
No, I am so pissed off at you, buddy. You are wrong. You are very wrong. You are a fucking dude.
Are you done talking with me?
I am done yelling at you.
I'm not here to force you, which you're not willing to do. I'm not here to convince you.
You are wrong.
I beg your pardon?
You are wrong. I not make enough money to owe that much tax.
Well, so you don't want to rectify your case.
I do want to rectify case, but you're a rectum.
So I'm asking you, how much dollar do you have exactly in your account? Or savings account?
$20. What do you think? You not here? You don't speak English?
So you say that you have only $20
Oh,
in
you
your
d-
checking account.
Yes. Dunushi Svenja.
Well, so have you ever, in that case, so have you ever used EFTPS?
The what?
EFTPS, Electronic Federal Tax Payment System.
Yes.
Have you used that service?
Yes. The
Well,
to
so-
file, I do that.
I beg your pardon?
To file tax, I use that electronic tax file.
Well, so, do you know any government authorized store?
Any I don't
Any
understand.
government authorized store?
No, I don't know what that is.
Do you know any government authorized store like 7-Eleven or Walmart, Walgreens?
Oh, yes.
Sorry?
I know what those are, yes.
So you know 7-Eleven, right?
Yes.
Well, so how much time it will take for you to reach to 7-Eleven?
Why would I go there?
Are you gonna drive down or are you gonna walk down?
Why do I go there?
Because you need to purchase an electronic vouchers.
I have no money.
Well, if you don't have money, let me go and take.
Here's what I think. I think you are scam artist. This is what I think.
Well, if
Because
you
you
don't
not
have
send
money,
me
then
nothing.
Let me activate your arrest warrant, okay?
Why you not send it? Oh, he's gonna have. Okay, so now he's gonna have an agent call me back. This is part of the scam. There's another guy's gonna call me back, and I'm gonna frig with him so bad. Like, that guy was crazy. I cannot believe what these people try to pull. Now, I have a friend that I used to work with at my previous job that her husband was convinced that this was real. Now, I've never talked to an IRS agent that could not speak English, first of all. Most of them are very well spoken. They know their shit, and they talk quite concisely. Now, first of all, please remember, you guys, that if you really do owe money to the IRS, they're going to send you a notice. They're not going to call you up and threaten to take everything you own or your license or any of that stuff. So, you know, it's interesting to see if he's going to have this other guy call me back. I apologize to any Russian viewers for my awful accent and my awful portrayal of your country, because well, you know, I'm not that good at it. So I should have said I come from Homeland to sail boat. But I'm hoping this jerk will call me right back. So, and it's funny too, because he thinks I'm the guy who had this phone before me, because he kept saying the name, which was totally wrong. So sometimes they get it right, sometimes they get it wrong. But they had the previous number owner this time. That's kind of cool, because my lady doesn't like him to use my name and address. So that's cool. Oh, I'm telling you, these people are insane. I've gotten the government grant scam calls, student loan forgiveness calls, all scams now. Some of them are for identity theft, and other ones are to, like, he wanted me to go to 7-Eleven and send him money, basically. So that's funny. Jesus, I hate to shut this down, but I'm gonna do it just in case he doesn't call back and I just run on for no reason. So anyway, folks, that's another wonderful Right to Know program for you. And have a great day, great weekend. This is Friday the 16th of June and 2017. So another scammer bites the dust.